In question 20, we have a composite function where we're asked to write in the form gf of x. This means that you put the second function, the f, into g. So we're going to rewrite g, but wherever there's an x, we're going to substitute in this expression here. So we're going to have 2, and then because it's an x, we're going to do, say, 2x squared plus 1, and that's all over. We have an x again, so 2x squared plus 1, and then a minus 1. This so far will get me 1 mark, but it's not been simplified, and the question does say give your answer as simply as possible. Well, on the bottom here we have 2x squared plus 1 minus 1. So that plus 1 minus 1 cancels out effectively. So I would have 2x squared plus 1 over 2x squared. Well, a common factor here for the top and bottom is I've got this 2 and 2, and so they cancel out to just give me 2x squared plus 1 all divided by x squared. And that doesn't simplify anymore because there's no common factor of 2x squared, 1 and x squared. Expressing an inverse function is probably the highlight of your life. It's so much fun, and we're going to go through it now. So here we have our function for g of x is 2x over x minus 1. I'm just going to rewrite that as y is equal to 2x over x minus 1. So to find the inverse, what we do is we swap over the y's and the x's, and then we rearrange to make y the subject again. So I'm going to have x is equal to 2y over y minus 1. Well, when we're making y the subject, we don't want to have any fractions to begin with. So we get rid of dividing by y minus 1 by multiplying both sides by y minus 1. So you get x y minus 1 equals 2y. And now we're going to multiply out the bracket on the left so that we can get all of the y's on one side, everything without a y on the other. So xy minus x equals 2y. So to get everything with y on one side and everything with an x on the other, we're going to add x to both sides, which will give us xy equals 2y, or x plus 2y. We now need to get the 2y over to the left hand side, so xy minus 2y equals x. And here's the most fun part, you have to factorise out the y. X minus 2 equals 2x. And now you want to get y on its own, and to do that you have y times something equals x, so you divide by that something, and you're going to get, I'm just going to move it up to the top, you're going to divide both sides by x minus 2, and you're going to get y equals x over x minus 2. And that is your final answer because you've rearranged to make y the subject. So x over x minus 2. That was fun.